Do you know how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp? So friends, in this video I am going to show you each and every step. So please be with me till the end of this video. So let's start with the first step. I will tell you two type of problem solutions. So here let's start with the first solution, right? So first solution, we just need to go to Play Store. Let's click on it, and after clicking that you have to type WhatsApp. Okay, so you just simply need to uninstall this. All right, if all older one is not working, it is showing as this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So you have to simply uninstall it, and after following this process you just have to go to Google Chrome. You just find the Chrome browser or Google browser. Go to Google, click on it. Now search WhatsApp contact. So here at the first option you can click contact WhatsApp. Let's click on it. Now you can see there are so many options are here. Click on WhatsApp support, click on contact us. Now WhatsApp support, to better assist you, contact us from your phone by opening WhatsApp setting, help, contact us. Either you can simply go to all fields are required. So if you want to raise a query, if you want to raise a request against this problem, so you have to first mention your number here. You can type your number here. After that type the email, and after this you have to click type the same email ID here for confirmation. And how do you use WhatsApp? So the problem you are facing in Android phone, iPhone, web and desktop, KAIOS or other. So if you are facing with Android, so you have to tap on it and then please write message here. Okay, so whatever message you want to type here related to your query, related to your problem, that this account is no longer in use on WhatsApp. So you have to raise your concern, you have to write your concern here, whether it is in English or Hindi or in other language. So after typing the message here, you have to scroll down and now click on next step. All right, so after following this process you have to good to go, and you have to wait for for response. And after getting this response, you 100% you'll get the solution and your problem will be resolved. I'm telling you, I'm taking you to the another process also. Okay, so this is more simple if you can see. So let's go to Play Store. So here this is method 2 you can consider. So let's go to Play Store. Now type WhatsApp. Now scroll down. You can see app support option is here. Tap on it. Now you can see email android@support.whatsapp.com. So this is the support email ID. Click on this. You have to write the subject that this account no longer use WhatsApp. You have to write here, and you have to write your concern here. After filling the subject, after writing your concern, you can send it from here. You can see this option is here, so you can send and you can wait for the response. So I'm sure after doing this process you will be able to find the solution. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.